speed with one of our top stories where top police bosses and detectives have rushed to Eldoret, where we are informed 3 Kenyan revenue authorities officials have been arrested for trying to bring mandrax into the country. Now, mandrax is a highly addictive, sedative and hypnotic drug, and the most abused drug in South Africa. What you are now seeing are some of the pictures from Eldoret International Airport. It is also that alleged the kingpin of the drug trafficking suspects have also been arrested here in Nairobi. Let me just give you a brief background on mandrax, that specific drug. Back in the late 1990s, it was one that was used or prescribed as a sleeping pill in respective to that, but then was banned in most parts of the world because it was misused. Allow me to just bring up that story yet again. The top police bosses and detectives have rushed to Eldoret, where we are now informed the 3 Kenya Revenue Authorities officials have been arrested for trying to bring in mandrax into the country. Mandrax is a highly addictive, sedative and hypnotic drug and the most abused drug in South Africa. And what you're currently seeing right now are pictures from the Eldoret International Airport. The alleged kingpin of the drug trafficking suspect has been arrested back here in Nairobi. Mandrax drugs have been trafficked at the airport frequently, and intelligence reports show that the drugs were also concealed as vitamins. As you can see, those are live images from Eldoret International Airport, where 3 KRA officials were arrested Friday night during a police raid at the international airport with a huge batch of mandrax that was seized. Also, reports indicate that a similar raid was conducted here in Nairobi, Kasarani's area, where a man was believed to be a kingpin in the drug business was arrested. All right, so we're keeping an eye on that story. Allow me to give you just a brief background of the drug. Now, mandrax is a synthetic drug which was mainly sold in form of tablets, and it's very addictive, highly addictive, and it was once prescribed as a sleeping pill, but it was later banned in most parts of the world because of its misuse. And because it was already had an industry, it became a very profitable, lucrative drug to have around because it was a profitable business. And secret labs arose in different parts of the countries around the world, such as India, Pakistan, Tanzania, Zambia, and of course South Africa, the largest abuser of the mandrax drugs, and you guessed right, also Kenya. And those are live images from Eldoret, where the drugs were found. And we're also expecting a presser from Hassan Abdi from Uasin Gishu County there in regards to what we've just broken right now. Those drugs that were found at mandrax at the international airport, where 3 KRA officials were Friday night arrested after a police raid at Eldoret International Airport with a huge batch of mandrax drugs that were seized. Now, those drugs were concealed as vitamins, and we'll be able to get more details in regards to that when we expect a briefer later on in the day. All right, like we promised, we're keeping an eye on those 2 stories, our top stories this hour. 3 KRA officials who were arrested last night at the Eldoret International Airport for trying to sneak in mandrax drugs.